So we are going to World Cup 2026. Congratulations to us as a nation. Congratulations to Bafana Bafana. And I just want to say thanks, the Love Brothers. Now I'm giving you all the permission to spread the nyash of our sisters now playing. But yeah, thanks for like this night that was like qualifying. We really showed up as like big brothers, and I just want to say I wish all the best to Nigeria. I hope Ulama on this top 4 group stage is available. They're gonna be coming out on top, because I believe we need like the strongest, the talent, and the biggest nations available going to Club World Cup. Not what am I saying, to going to World Cup, FIFA World Cup available, Abazoto, so that we can get a better chance available of winning, because also we need a World Cup here in Africa. That will actually change a lot, and we need teams that are competitive available, and South Africa deserve to come out of these group stages according to me, and everybody knew the way we actually playing available. So I'm happy, because it making it feel like it was Benin. I'm not like saying no, but I take pants, but making it feel it was them. So asibonge phela bese sesona ama calculator baye kuziba bafethu.